Hello everyone. Today we will see how to check normality in continuous variable in a SPSS software. So for checking the normality, there are a lot of ways. So first I will show how to check normality by using histogram. So for creating histogram, we have to go descriptive statistics and then frequency, and then we have to select variable. So these are three continuous variable I have selected, and then go to chart and then select histogram and also select the show normal curve on histogram and then continue. Then click OK. So this is the histogram for height variable. This graph seems to be normally distributed. And also, if we observe the standard deviation, then the standard deviation is 6 and mean is 159. That means comparatively the standard deviation is low. If we look at the weight variable, then also it is close to the normal shape, and also the standard variable is low. But if we observe the income variable, then the graph doesn't seems to be normally distributed, and the mean variable was approximately 29,000. The mean income is 29,000, more than 29,000, and the standard deviation is almost 17,000. So that means the standard deviation is comparatively high. When the standard deviation is high, that means the data is not normally distributed. So this is one of the strategy of uh, of uh, detecting the data is normally distributed or not. Now see the another graphical representation of checking the data, whether the data is normally distributed or not. So we can also draw QQ plot. QQ plot means the quantile plot. So if we keep all three continuous variable and then click OK, then we will get the quantile plot. So this is the QQ plot for height variable, and this is the diagonal line. This diagonal line is called the reference line. If the observation falls very close to the diagonal line, then we can say that the data is normally distributed. And to see the quantile plot, the height variable seems to be normally distributed. And this is also quantile plot, and it is called the detrended normal quantile plot. And the interpretation for this plot, you can say the more closely horizontal line um, horizontal line of 0, it indicates the normally distributed data. So if your observation close to the 0 horizontal line, then you can say your variable is normally distributed. So yes, to see this graph, we cannot say the data is exactly normally distributed, but we can say it is seems to be approximately normally distributed. And this is the income variable. And the income variable, if we see the diagonal line, then the observation is not close to the diagonal line. So we cannot say the income variable is normally distributed. And also it is far away from the horizontal 0 line. So this is not normally distributed. And also the weight variable, it is seems to be normally distributed because uh, the observation close to the diagonal line, and if you see the uh, detrended normal QQ plot, then also this some of the observation are close to the uh, zero horizontal line. So we can assume that the weight variable seems to be normally distributed. So this is the way of assuming whether your data, whether your variable follows normality or not. So thank you for watching this video.